Welcome to Blackjack Special.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I know I didn't post any video for a while, but I got a little quick video for you guys here today. So I got a new oil pump. So this oil pump was recommended by my builder, my mechanic. He told me I should go with a better oil pump, and he heard that Z1 got a new oil pump that I should check out. So I went on Z1 and I noticed that, yeah, it looks like they got that pump. I don't know how new it is, you know, when they got the pump, but I know it's a newer product they have anyway. So it's made by this company, I guess, called Boundary Racing Pumps, but I bought it off Z1 Motorsport. So let's get to it. Let's open up the box. So anyways, my builder also recommend that I went with where is it, the one billet cover and shim, the shim one and the billet cover. So the shim one, I believe you can get more pressure. I think it's something like I don't know, like starts at like 10 psi and then it goes all the way up. Depends on what you want, what you need it for. So okay, so let's open the box, see what we're looking at here. All right, so this is how it comes. Obviously I opened the box like a couple minutes ago just to make sure everything's here, but this is pretty much the way it came. So we got a Boundary Racing pump sticker. We also got Boundary record of assembly and certification. So guys, what I think this pump is, based off what I read, is that so it pretty much uses the OEM casing, and then they just replace the gear. So that's pretty much it. So it's pretty much your OEM pump with a different gear inside, a tougher, stronger, I guess, you know, gear that would not break, would not fail. So yeah, nobody wants their oil pump failing, right? Especially you're boosting your car, you don't want any issues, right? So this is just another paperwork here, the warranty. On the other side, here's a notice. You probably want to read all this stuff, blah blah blah. And yeah, so here's the pump. Before the pump, there's some bolts here that came with it. They look like quarter 20, but I'm not sure if they're quarter 20. I'm not sure what size these are, but anyways, these are the bolts that came with the pump. And here's a little ring. I'm sure when I talk to my mechanic, I'll find out what this ring is for. I'm sure it's just a ring, probably to seal something, whatever it is. Apologize, but I'm still learning about this stuff. I've never boosted a car before, so you know, I'm just going through the process right now. So here we go. It came in this plastic. I just ripped the plastic off here and, you know, open it up. Let's see what we're working with. Apologize, just one hand. Let's just move this off to the side. See what we got here now. Okay, so let's get a closer look. Ooh, cool. So see what it says, billet steel gear. So that's what it is, and they have the stamp on there, the Boundary Racing Pumps VHR S1. Yeah, so yeah, so they pretty much use the OEM case with their gear and whatever else they got to do to, you know, I don't know, support that or whatever it is. So there we go, that's what it looks like. So now this is that billet, the billet plate that I got as well. There's an option where you can, there's actually an option on Z1 where you can get just the gear, and then you can probably get someone to open your oil pump and, you know, get it in, do all whatever they got to do to make it work. And or you can just buy the pump without this plate, or you can just get this, what I got here, everything assembled together, the billet steel plate with the pump, with the gear in there and everything, by Boundary, certified, stamped by them. I showed you guys the certification. And or you can just get the gear itself and, you know, probably get your pump open, your OEM pump, and do your thing, change out the gear in there. Or you can just get the pump without this plate. It'll be a little bit cheaper, right? But I was told to get the plate as well, so just to give you guys a better, closer look, you know, just oil pump. It's pretty clean, man. These guys did a nice job. So there it is, guys. Just a quick unboxing of my new Bondery. Oh, damn, I can't get it out the damn box. Hey, come on. Mess with me. So yeah, new Bondery racing pump. So guys, if you guys are thinking about upgrading your oil pump, I'll say go check Z1 and get yourself a new updated Bondery racing pumps. I did see Z1 had another pump there, but it was a Nismo oil pump, so I don't know. But this is the right one. This is the one that I need, and this is the one that I got. So yeah, guys, just some info there. If you know, before you run into problems, maybe it'll be a good idea to change your oil pump. I heard a lot of stories about oil pump failing and stuff like that. So if you got the motor apart, now will be a good time to change all those things out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate the people who are subscribed to my channel. I know it's been a rough road because you guys haven't really seen much footage on the G. But yeah, the G is almost finished. So here's a quick update. The G's almost finished. The head is pretty much done. I just got to get this pump to him, and then once he gets the head from the machine guy, then he's just gonna assemble everything. He only needs like a week or two to get everything together, so I'm sure in the New Year's, well, I'm sure in sometime in January, I'll be able to get the car there and I'll vlog everything, so you guys can see everything step by step, get the car there, get the motor put in, and so on and so on. Alright guys, I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends, alright? This channel's about to get crazier. Alright?